Subscribe to Femina and press the bell icon.
My brand, my core aesthetic is to revisit Indian craft, and that is what I try to bring out every season in new colors, in new color palettes, in interesting silhouettes, and that's also what I'm trying to do this season.
It's been great. I love what she's created. I think that she's got a lot of experience, both academic as well as on the field when it comes to designing clothes and a sense of fashion. I like wearing clothes that I, of course, feel comfortable in, and I feel that they create an impact and they're a beautiful silhouette. So I love the collection that you've got, and I'm excited to be working around it. I am not very trend-based, I have to say, as a person. In terms of, I've been told that, well, I don't know whether it applies to clothes or not, but Rishabh was saying that glitter is a trend, and I'm a fan of the 80s and glitter, but I'm also a fan of natural beauty. So in terms of makeup trends, these are things that I'm following. My go-to makeup look, I need to have mascara, no matter what time of the day it is, and a little bit of lip tint are things that are essentials for me. I don't know, there's something about mascara in me, it's like it's a bond.